Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to crochet vertical stripes. For this part of the video, it's pretty easy because I'm going to be working on the right side of the project. So it basically means that we're going to be weaving in the secondary color as we work. So I'm going to start with a chain 1. Go into the next stitch as if to crochet a single crochet. And then straighten that out. And then I'm going to yarn over with the second color and complete the stitch. Again, holding the yellow up against the row, I'm going to work another single crochet and then continue changing the yarn every 2 stitches. This particular pattern calls for a 2x2 color rib. That's why I'm changing every 2 stitches, but you can see how easy it is. I'm just holding the yarn that I'm not working with against the project and just crocheting or weaving through it. Okay, continue down the row in this manner, and I'll see you at the end. Okay, so we finished this row, and now we're going to turn the project over and work the vertical stripes on the wrong side of the project. So I'm going to start with the chain 1 before I turn it over, and then what we're going to do is we are going to insert our hook in the next stitch as if to single crochet 1, and then bring up the second color, and you see how I'm holding it down, the gray down. So you're going to want to keep it down like that. It's kind of like you're working in a fair isle using the fair isle technique. You're not weaving in the color, the secondary yarn, however you're just letting it drop. And here I'm going to pull down the yellow yarn and bring up the gray yarn, just like so. Okay, keeping the yellow in between, I'm going to crochet another single crochet and then another single crochet and do my color change. I'm going to just hold that right there, and there you go. So I'm going to do a couple more so you can see. The back is basically just letting the yarn hang there, because if you try to weave it in like you do in the front, you're going to see traces of the yarn in the front, which doesn't really make it look nice. So it's better if you just drop it here. Okay, so just continue along the rest of the row, and I will see you at the end so you can see the final piece. And this is how the back looks like. Thank you for watching. See you again.